Welcome to Study Point Online. Here we are discussing some important questions of social psychology. The first question is, one common way of exploring in early childhood is by dash questions. Given options are A. Avoiding, B. Asking, C. Listening, D. Reading. The correct answer is option B. Asking. Next question. Dash and Ivan Pavlov are pioneers of psychology. Given options are A. Sigmund Freud, B. Jean Piaget, C. B.F. Skinner, D. Both A and C. Your correct answer is option A. Sigmund Freud. Next question. The children of these parents are immature and self-reliant. Given options are A. Authoritarian, B. Democratic, C. Permissive, D. Authoritative. So here correct answer is option A. Authoritarian. Our next question. Dash counseling is done as part of the work of the teacher. Given options are A. Non-specialist, B. Informal, C. Professional, D. Specialized. Given here correct answer is option A. Non-specialist. Next question. Dash is a technique that gets children going in the desired direction. Given options are A. Punishment, B. Modeling, C. Demonstrating, C. Leading. Here correct answer is option D. Leading. Next question. The processing of information in the memory system is known as dash. Given options are A. Storage, B. Encoding, C. Rehearsal, D. Working memory. Here correct answer is option B. Encoding. Next question. Dash is a defense mechanism that blocks from consciousness painful memories and anxiety raising thoughts. Given options are A. Regression, B. Repression, C. Reaction formation, D. Identification. Your correct answer is option B. Repression. Next question. Cause of dash in elderly include loneliness and isolation. So your correct given options are A. Stress, B. Depression, C. Anxiety, D. Anemia. Your correct answer is option B. Depression. Causes of depression in elderly include loneliness and isolation. Next question. In what order did Freud believe that three parts of our personality develop? Given options are A. Ego, superego, ID. B. Superego, ID, ego. C. ID, ego, superego. D. None of these. Your correct answer is option C. ID, ego, superego. Next question. Piaget's first cognitive stage is known as dash. Given options are A. Concrete operational, B. Formal operational, C. Sensory motor, D. Pre-operational. Your correct answer is option C. Option C. Sensory motor.